Welcome back, guys! Get ready for a wild ride through the coolest car gadgets. Stay tuned, these innovations will blow your mind. Let's roll! Number 11. Munchkin Brica Sun Safety Shade. Looking to stay cool and comfortable in your car? Introducing the Munchkin Brica Sun Safety Shade. Ever wondered how to escape that harsh sun while driving? These versatile sunshades have you covered. Made from durable polyester, they easily snap on and off your car windows, shielding you from direct sunlight, glare, and harmful UV rays. Plus, they add a touch of privacy during those endless traffic jams. Whether you prefer clips or suction cups, installation is a breeze. And with the convenient one-push retract button, it's effortless to use, rain or shine. Say goodbye to the half-tanned look and hello to a safer, more comfortable ride, all for just $16. Number 10. AceCar Digital GPS Speedometer. Want to enhance your driving experience? Meet the AceCar Universal Car HUD. Ever wondered how to stay informed while keeping your eyes on the road? This remarkable device projects vital information, like your car's speed and navigation directions, directly onto your windshield. Say goodbye to dangerous distractions, and hello to safer driving. It's compatible with most cars and installs effortlessly, offering a crystal clear display that's visible day and night. But that's not all. It provides real-time GPS speed data, helping you steer clear of speeding tickets. Plus, it features a handy USB port for charging your devices on the go. The best part? It's incredibly affordable at just $34. Stay safe, stay informed, and stay ahead of the game with this fantastic HUD. Number 9. JOYROOM RCL16 FM Transmitter. Looking to upgrade your car's multimedia experience? Meet the JOYROOM RCL16 FM Transmitter. If your car doesn't have all the smart features you desire, this transmitter can bridge the gap. With Bluetooth 5.3 technology, it provides fast and stable connections for seamless music streaming from your phone to your car's speakers. Pairing is a breeze, taking just a second, and you can easily control your music and answer calls, all while staying focused on the road. Plus, it boasts an impressive built-in echo canceling feature. Beyond connectivity, it can simultaneously charge 3 devices, making it a versatile and affordable addition to your car. Get yours for just $22. Number 8. Sumind Bluetooth FM Transmitter. Ready to supercharge your car's entertainment system? Introducing the Sumind Bluetooth FM Transmitter. This gadget is a true multitasker. It lets you stream music wirelessly from your phone to your car's sound system via Bluetooth, turning even the longest drives into enjoyable journeys. Safety is a priority too, with its built-in microphone for hands-free calling. But wait, there's more. A 1.7-inch display shows FM frequencies and caller ID, while dual USB ports keep your devices charged. It's also compatible with TF cards and USB drives for playing your favorite tunes. All this functionality is yours for just $26, making it a must-have addition for any vehicle. Number 7. Wiiyii OBD2 Gauge Display. Looking to level up your driving experience? Meet the Wiiyii OBD2 Gauge Display. Wondering what sets it apart? This head-up display offers more than just speed info. It's a dashboard powerhouse. Get real-time data on your driving direction, altitude, latitude, fuel consumption, and more. Safety takes center stage with speed alarms and reminders to take breaks. But here's the real game changer. The built-in diagnostic scanner reads engine trouble codes and real-time data streams, helping you pinpoint the root cause of that pesky check engine light. All this for just $60. Elevate your driving with this affordable and feature-packed gadget. Number 6. JoyTutus Rear View Mirror. Ready to transform your driving safety? Introducing the JoyTutus Rear View Mirror. Wondering what makes it special? It's not your average mirror. This 11.81-inch panoramic convex mirror offers an expanded field of vision, erasing those pesky blind spots, reducing glare, and enhancing overall safety. Installation is a breeze, fitting most vehicles seamlessly. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's built to last. The best part? It's a total game changer, and it won't break the bank, coming in at just $23. Elevate your driving experience with this affordable safety upgrade. Number 5. JoyTutus Cup Holder Phone Mount. Looking for the ultimate car accessory that does it all? Meet the JoyTutus Cup Holder Phone Mount. Wondering what sets it apart? Well, here's the scoop. This versatile gadget doubles as both a phone holder and a cup holder, making it a space-saving superstar. It's designed to securely grip smartphones up to 7 inches, accommodating a wide range of devices from the latest iPhone to the Samsung Galaxy. Plus, the cup holder is no slouch either, fitting popular brand bottles or cups ranging from 18 to 40 ounces. Need even more room? You can easily remove the rubber tabs to accommodate larger containers. And the best part? The entire setup is 360 degrees rotatable, so you can position your phone exactly where you want it. It's a steal at just $30. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience. Number 4. Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Curious about how to enhance road safety and extend the life of your tires? Introducing the wireless solar tire pressure monitoring system. Why is it a must-have? Because maintaining the correct tire pressure is essential for safety, fuel efficiency, and tire durability. This smart gadget eliminates any guesswork. It continuously tracks your tire pressure and temperature, giving you real-time data right on your dashboard. The best part? Its solar-powered sensors are a breeze to install with no extra wiring needed. It's a small investment in safety and tire care, all for just $39, ensuring you hit the road with confidence and peace of mind. Number 3. Rednomads Settle. Ever felt overwhelmed by the chaos in your car? Say hello to the Rednomads Settle, the ultimate car organizer. How does it transform your driving experience? This ingenious gadget features a tray for your essentials, a lap desk with built-in cable management, and it can even become a handy picnic table on the go. But that's not all. It includes a convenient trash bag for those long drives. Need a place for your wires and gadgets? It's got 3 secret chambers for that too. Plus, it doubles as a toiletry bag and a gaming station for the kids. And when you're on the move, it's a reliable carry-on bag. Say goodbye to car clutter for just $94 and hit the road with style and organization. Number 2. Andobil Car Phone Holder. Wondering how to stay safe and connected on the road? Meet the Andobil Car Phone Holder. In 2023, safety is a top priority, and this upgraded phone holder is designed with just that in mind. It firmly attaches to your car's dashboard, providing a stable hands-free solution for GPS navigation, calls, or catching up on videos. Plus, it's compatible with most smartphones and cases, and you can adjust it to the perfect viewing angle. It's not just about convenience, it's about safety. Don't compromise. Get the Andobil Car Phone Holder for just $33 and drive with confidence. Number 1. Helicopter Car Air Freshener. Ever wish your car could smell as fresh as a helicopter ride? Well, now it can. These helicopter-shaped car air fresheners not only look sleek, but also double as aroma diffusers. It's as easy as adding a few drops of your preferred scent to the pad, inserting it, and letting the propellers work their magic. Best part? They're solar-powered, so no need to fret about batteries. Elevate your car's scent game for just $24. Thanks for tuning in. If you loved our car gadget showcase, hit like, share, and subscribe for more tech goodness. Stay connected.